Hey guys, nothingwired.com, and today we are at the launch of the 2 Micromax Windows 8.1 device here in India, and this is the cheaper one. It's called the Micromax Canvas Win W092. So it has mainly the typical features and mostly differ from the Lumia 630. That's the first Windows 8.1. Mainly on the hardware, the UI and the software part is pretty much the same Windows 8.1, and we did not see much of the dedicated Micromax apps, but we're gonna show them to you in a bit. So first thing first, it's a very rugged device, and when you hold this, you'll probably be reminded of the Asha series or probably some other that were very rugged and active kind of a handset. So it has this 4-inch screen, capacitive screen, has a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels. On top you can see that's the earpiece and your VGA front camera, then your 3 shortcut keys, the home, back, and the search button, the usual Windows Phone OS buttons. On the left side you have your volume rocker, below pretty much nothing. On the right side you have that's the power button, and the lights pretty terrible here. And then you have a micro USB 2.0 port and a 3.5mm jack here, see? And then behind you have the 5MP fixed focus camera accompanied by an LED flash, Micromax branding there, and then the speaker grill. Now the phone is very glossy, so you would see a lot of fingerprints and smudges and greases, you see, both on the front as well as on the back, because even the back side is very glossy. However, the back flap can be removable, and you can just press in the center and pull it. So it's also like the Nokia Asha series. The back cover is very rugged, made of very tough plastic. It's actually built like a tank, and it kind of covers the whole housing of the phone, and that will protect you when you unintentionally drop this phone even from a considerable height. Inside you see it supports dual SIM, so 2 full-size SIM card slot plus your micro SD card slot, so you can extend the storage here on top of the 8GB internal storage that already comes with the phone. We don't know about the battery, but I suspect it should be close to about 1500 battery, because that's the usual power battery you get with this price point of device. So apart from that, this guy is powered by Snapdragon 200 chipset 1.2 gig processor, and then you have 1GB RAM, as I told you, 8GB internal memory, and also extended with the micro SD card, and it's powered by the Windows Phone 8.1. And there you see the typical unlock screen on top. You'll recognize it. It's a Micromax device, their most famous wallpaper probably. Yeah. Then the notification bar, quick. You're gonna unlock this, and then you get to the famous lifestyle of Windows Phone. You can just long press them, or you can shrink them just like that. Yeah. Make them bigger, or also you can move them around here and there. Very convenient. See, simply tap this, come back to the lifestyle again. Yeah. Long press on the back button will take you to the recently used apps. Nothing happens when you long press or double press the home button. Pressing on the search button will straight away take you to Bing. That's again a usual. So here you have all the programs, and if you see, I'll scroll a little slower, you'll see that it's mostly the default Windows apps and nothing of a Micromax's, which is in a way a good thing. Probably Micromax decided not to stuff the phone with many bloatware. So we'll straight away go to settings and we'll see how it looks. Very usual, see Wi-Fi, cellular supports here. All the cellular data supports and stuff. You have your data sense, and you can keep track of the data that you use, screen rotation and backup and whatnot. You have USB, see, and then about phone. There you can see the OS version there, 8.1. blah blah blah. I also want to show you the storage one. So should we get to the storage sense now? There you can see, so 4.55 GB free out of 8 GB, and because 2.73 GB is already used. Now I don't know if these guys have any additional app or additional data installed on this demo device, but if they did not, then that's pretty much the space that you're gonna see. Then let's check out the camera. 5MP fixed focus camera. I doubt you can expect much out of it. However, it does not zoom and stuff. You just see there's no focus or that sort of stuff. But then it kind of corrects the exposure wherever you touch, which is kind of a good thing. Yeah. And it's pretty quick as well for the price point. So it's creating a picture for almost my 2 taps, so that's quite good. And that's video. Tap it and you'll start recording the video. Then you cannot click stills during recording the videos. That's how you can switch between the front and back camera. Then your flash settings, and then some lenses. So by default it has Bing Vision lens. You can also download many lenses from the Windows Store, and then some of the scene modes, portrait, sports and night, some quick modes. If you do not want to go into details, we'll check out some other stuff. So that's flash. You can see 5MP max HD maximum video recording. Yeah. Right. You have scene mode auto. The ISO goes up till 800, and then white balance and auto bending and stuff. So pretty decent 5MP fixed focus camera really, but well, it should always be used when you do not have other options. We also have Cortana, but then unfortunately the phone is not connected, so I cannot give you a demo of Cortana, but I'll make sure that I give you an in-depth demo when this device comes to our lab for full review. You have data sense, you have FM radio here, you see, which cannot be used without your earphones plugged in basically. Usual stuff, you have Xbox Live, you have Internet Explorer as your default browser, you have the music, see, yeah, usual, and then Office. So Office is free for this. You can go ahead and you can create your documents, but as you know, you can only create Word and Excel. To be able to create PowerPoint, you'll actually have to go to the sample document and edit that. Like for example, this one PowerPoint, you have to go there and edit and then save it as your presentation. You cannot create that from the scratch. You have OneDrive, OneNote, and yeah. Let's show you the dialer. Again, pretty big. Yeah. Even for the fattest of fingers, so that's quite alright. You have storage sense and video and other stuff. A pretty useful thing here is that you can see it has a kids corner, so that's basically kids access to the device, so you can restrict your kids access. You can set what content that you want your kids to access, basically not the private contents, not the censored contents. For example, you can launch the kid corner and there's the phone goes to kid corner. Now here you cannot see anything except, let's say, customize. You see, because there are no content here as such for now. To go back to the normal mode, simply lock it and unlock again, and it would ideally ask you for a password, but then we did not set a password, so now you will straight away go to your normal mode. The kid mode, pretty useful when you have your kids running around the house stealing your phones. Good enough. So this guy, the Micromax Canvas Win W092, will be available in India probably in July. They did not announce the exact date. It will be available for about 6,500 Indian rupees, so that's close to about $100, which is good enough, very aggressively priced for a Windows phone. Now you have the Nokia Lumia 630 launched at about 10,000, so that's a 4.5-inch screen. It's a 4-inch screen, and you have the bigger Canvas Win launched at 5-inch screen. So you have a pretty much aggressive and entry-level Windows phone portfolio as far as Microsoft is concerned. Thank you.